At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Shoulder range of motion chart is a normal shoulder range of motion chart, or a similar document to guide themselves during such exams and to help record patient results. Typically, a shoulder range of motion chart consists only of illustrations or images of a specific shoulder movement that a patient must do while undergoing testing. This is used by healthcare professionals to do the following: assess shoulder injuries or mobility issues, record range of motion test results such as degrees, pain presence, movement quality, help diagnose conditions like rotator cuff tears or shoulder instability. Using Carepatron's template is fairly straightforward. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access and download the template. Access the shoulder range of motion chart by clicking the download buttons or searching for it in Carepatron's template library. Step 2. Conduct a range of motion test. Fill in basic details such as the patient's name, examination date, and your name, and guide the patient through each shoulder movement listed on the chart. There are 3 common normal shoulder range of motion tests that you can conduct to assess shoulder mobility: passive range of motion, active range of motion, active assistive range of motion. Step 3. Record the results. Note the following after each movement: range achieved in degrees, presence or absence of pain, quality of movement, any additional observations. Step 4. Proceed with the next steps. Optional. If pain or abnormal results are detected, further evaluation may be needed, including provocation tests, imaging, or specialized exams to identify issues like rotator cuff tears or joint pathologies. Whether used for diagnosing injuries, monitoring recovery, or preparing patients for physical activity, this chart helps healthcare professionals identify mobility issues early and determine the most appropriate next steps for treatment or further testing. You can learn more about topics like the shoulder range of motion chart in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.